Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to modify spacing between questions in Jotform. This is particularly useful when you want to create a more visually appealing form or adjust the layout to match your branding preferences. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so you'll need to be logged in to make any edits. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the forms you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to modify. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Form button next to it. This will open up the form editor, which is your workspace for making any changes to your form structure, design, or settings. Now that you're in the form editor, direct your attention to the right panel of the screen. Here, you'll see several icons representing different tools. Look for the Form Designer icon, which looks like a paint roller. Click on this icon to access all the design and styling options available for your form. This tool gives you control over how your form looks and feels. Once the Form Designer panel opens, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Styles tab to access the specific styling controls we need. This section houses various options that let you customize the visual appearance of your form, from colors to spacing to fonts. Within the Styles tab, scroll down until you locate the question spacing option. This is the setting that controls how much vertical space appears between each question on your form. You can adjust the spacing by using the pixel slider or by typing in an exact number if you have a specific measurement in mind. Increasing the value will create more breathing room between questions, while decreasing it will make your form more compact. Adjust this based on your preferences and the overall look you're trying to achieve. As you make these adjustments, you'll notice that the changes appear in real time on the left panel of the screen. This live preview allows you to see exactly how your form will look to respondents before you publish it. Take advantage of this feature to fine-tune the spacing until it looks just right. You can always go back and adjust the numbers if needed. And there you have it, you've successfully modified the spacing between questions in your Jotform to create a cleaner, more professional-looking form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.